So, if Paramount Plus is not working, there are a few things that you could try doing here to fix this problem. So, first thing that you want to do is you may want to restart and you may want to check the servers. Now, if the app won't open or is stuck, you may want to restart your TV, phone, or streaming device. Then check services like Down Detector to confirm Paramount Plus is experiencing an outage. Now, if so, you just need to wait for a few hours and they will automatically check this for you. Now, also, you may want to reinstall the app. Now, deleting and reinstalling often clears hitting glitches, so after reinstalling, log back in and see if the playback improves. Also, you may want to fix streaming or buffering here. Now, slow connection causes most playback problems, so restart your router, switch to a wired internet if possible, or lower audio video quality in settings, and make sure your speeds meet the minimum for HD or 4K streaming. Now, also, smart TVs troubleshooting here. You may want to do this. So, on smart TVs, you may want to uninstall and reinstall the app. Restart both TV and the internet and confirm your model is supported, since older TVs may not run the app properly. Now, also, you may want to check for audio or subtitle or crash issues. Now, for sound or captions, toggle them off and on in video settings and reset to default. Now, if the app freezes or closes, clear its cache and ensure both the app and the device software are updated. Now, also, you may want to basically fix the login account problems here. Now, check the username and password carefully when you're logging in and reset if possible or needed. Now, if you're signed up through Apple, Amazon, or Google, log in through those devices and also confirm your subscription and billing info are active. And also, you may need to understand that sometimes there are some regional restrictions. Now, if Paramount Plus doesn't work while abroad, it may be blocked in that region. Some subscriptions cover international use. Otherwise, you may need a VPN that supports Paramount Plus. But that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.